Alright guys, I gotta show you how I get off my dock. So I'm at the edge of my dock, it's underwater. You can see that. I'm gonna just kind of push myself off of this dock, and I will try to position this camera here. Here we go. I'm gonna put this oar on the end of the dock, and then we're gonna just kind of float out. Hopefully, float out here. Alright, there we go. Get up there. So yeah, the water's a little bit high. Can't tell. Alright. Successful launch. This is a great way to end the day at the Willow Tree Inn. That's right, folks. Not always accessible. This summer it was, but I didn't spend too much time here. But I think we're gonna pull up tonight and enjoy. Yep, it's closed, as you can see, for the season. It's hopping here in the summertime, man. And I'm just pulling into one of these dock spaces here. Nicely made by Mother Nature, as you can see. And yeah, everybody who's usually here, like the birds and bees and whoever else hangs out in these trees, kind of disappeared for now. Maybe headed south. Willow Tree Inn on the Hudson River here. One of my favorite little perches. Great place to stop and wet your whistle if your whistle needs to be wetted. That's what I say. That is willow, right? I'm waiting for it to drop, you know, but I believe it is. I think it's just a young willow tree, or it's a tree on its side, either way. But it's a good tree, and this is a good night, and this is a good river, and it's been a good day. And you know what? I'm a good man. I am. And so are you. Good man, good woman, good person. We're all good people. Sometimes you just gotta search for it, you know? Gotta work on it. Gotta flex that good people muscle, you know? Alright guys, I'm gonna enjoy this little spot here and chill out. Just be peaceful and be here now.